Picture yourself in the 2021 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, woodgrain interior trim, lane keeping assist, satellite radio. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.